Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unsubscribe from Novel Flow on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the settings. Is the gray gear icon on your home screen. Once you're on your settings, at the top of settings page, tap on your name or Apple ID. This will take you to your account details. Next, tap subscription. Here you will see all the active subscription link to your Apple ID. Scroll through the list and look for Novel Flow. Once you find it, tap on it to open the subscription details. Tap cancel subscription. You might need to confirm your choice by tapping confirm. Once done, your subscription is cancelled and you won't be charged next month. And that's it. We have successfully unsubscribed from Novel Flow on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.